we have to introduce ourselves?
No, I'm gonna ask the question, or you can actually ask the question. How about that?
What do you want me to ask her the question?
Oh my God, no! You ask a question and then
Yeah,
if
yeah.
I
Okay.
stop, she's gonna.
Okay.
But just introduce her.
Okay.
Okay.
So you introduce yourself.
He's
Okay. So,
Okay.
so why don't you guys introduce yourself and the
Okay.
place that you work for?
Okay.
Go ahead. You can start.
Hi, my name is Masin. I'm a nurse injector at the Gold Perfections at Barrington. We do don't come close. We do Botox, filler, PRP, and laser treatment as far as the hair removal and tattoo
Photofacial.
removal, photofacial, and she's the expert of laser.
Okay.
technicians.
So tell us something
my
about
name
your.
is Stacy, and I have trained all the girls on our laser. So our laser is actually hair removal and 4 types of photofacial, so we can treat the symptoms of acne, vascular pigmentation, and also skin rejuvenation, which is collagen stimulation.
That's great. So out of all these, how do you rank them? Which one is best versus good versus okay?
Well, our machine is very, very good for the non-invasive, painless technology available on the market right now. It's a machine that it's non-invasive, so when the clients do come in, they don't leave red or anything. It's actually the safest machine on the market right now.
Okay, that's great. So talking more about PRP, when you guys treat patients for PRP, what are some of the common complaints that you guys see or concerns before they come in and they try this out?
Mostly it's scared of pain. They don't want to any pain during the session. So we apply a numbing cream, and or we inject lidocaine on face or scalp,
Okay.
and that's lidocaine cause preventive pain.
Do you guys see any blood?
Oh, of course, yeah, every day.
Okay.
Yeah, the PRP we draw blood, so we see the blood. We separate the blood
When you're
from
injecting
plasma.
that into the skull,
Yeah.
do you see any blood comes out?
Oh, of course.
Okay.
Yeah. Mostly it does that, yeah.
Okay, so
Because
what?
it's very vascular. As we inject the plasma, sometimes we hit the vein, and then but it's very minimal.
Okay.
Blood.
So what type of downtime is expected once someone takes the session?
It's 2 to 3 days. It's kind of redness and swollen sometimes. It's different. Different people, they get the different reactions to that.
Is that the same downtime for the face as well as the hair?
That's it, yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sure,
It's
definitely.
2 to 3 days.
Okay. So will someone be able to go back to work right after that?
And if you are okay with the redness, yeah, sure. But if you want to just say you don't like the redness on face, so you can stay home for 1 day, and then you can do the treatment on Friday, and then you can go back to work on Monday.
Okay.
Without any redness and anything.
Sure, definitely. So why don't you tell us, Stacy, is this really safe or not?
The PRP, absolutely. I mean, we have certified nurses, we have our amazing medical directors, we're fully insured and we're fully covered. So the doctors and the nurses are the best that we have in the state. So when they come to us, they're really 100% taken care of from the beginning till the end, meaning from the consultation part all the way to the 5th or 6th treatment when they're getting their results.
Okay. That's great.
Thank you.
How many offices do you guys have in
We
Chicago?
do have 3 offices in the area. We have one in Lisle, we have one in Barrington, South Barrington, and one on Rush Street, which is in the heart of Chicago.
That's right.
Yeah.
Okay. And how many treaters or technicians that you guys are working?
We have 2 nurses and 2 medical directors.
They both work over there?
Absolutely.
Okay. That's great.
Thank you.
What other services that you guys provide besides just PRP?
We have PRP, we have microneedling, we actually have Botox, fillers, we do threads, which threads are, if we
Yeah.
can explain the
Yeah,
threads.
sure. Thread is the there is a suture line. We can insert it for the patients who's or client who's older than 50, and then you feel like they have a saggy skin. So we insert it as much as we need to pull up the skin, and then normally we inject it three each side, and then to lift the face. And that's gonna be the result. The downtime is gonna be 3-4 days because it's gonna be swollen and bruises. But the same thing is gonna go to the skin, and it's very vascular, and all the time comes with the bruises and bleeding, but it's very minimal.
So if someone walks in here and say that they're just looking for transformation or rejuvenation, what does that path look like? What do you guys suggest to do first and then later on?
First and foremost, we do a consultation. We do a consultation with the client, and then when we get a little bit more in depth with the morphology of the face, we actually consult with our medical staff to see what is the client wanting and exactly what is she going to be getting. Because with fillers, threads, and all that, you can actually change the morphology of your face. So you want to make sure that does the client want a more of a natural look, or does she want that mini facelift effect? So we consult, and then we go the step further. Then we also discuss budget, because we can do 50, 100 units under $1,000, but then the threads, they become $2, $3, $4, $5,000. How much it is? Again, the threads do last up to sometimes 3 years. So depending on the investment the client wants to put in, we start with that, and then we do the treatments, and there's the follow-up on everything.
Is there any payment plan that is available?
Available right now? No, unfortunately, we don't do payment.
Do you guys have any other specials going on the websites like Groupon?
Yes, we do. We always have specials, and they're always updated with the new products and the new things we're getting.
Okay, that is great.
Thank you.
So how do you define you're different than all these other practices out there? What is the something that someone should come here?
I mean, we're a face-to-face consultation. Yes, we're very busy, but we do take the time with each and one of the clients to actually sit down with them and discuss what they really want. It's not about selling at the end, it's how about what can I do to make my client happy. Because a word-of-mouth advertisement is much better than any advertisement out there. If a client's satisfied, everyone around her will come to see us, and then our clientele will just grow day by day like that. It's customer service at the end of the day.
So what is the final mission or the roadmap for next 5 year look like for the goal perfection?
Perfection. We want to attain perfection.
That is really amazing. Do you guys any plan expanding outside of Chicago?
That I don't know.
Okay.
That's out of my that I don't know.
Okay, no problem.
Hopefully.
Perfect. Okay, so I think that's it for this session of Always Curious. This is amazing, and I'm pretty sure our viewers will find it really useful.
Thank you.
And
they can always call us. They can find us on the website. We have our website. We have our Facebook page. They can call us and book their appointments, and we're always available.
What's the website name for the Goal Perfection?
It's goalperfection.com.
Okay, that's very efficient.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you for your time, and thank you for watching, guys.